Hey everyone, today we talk how to clean the Intercooler 1 KZTE. Take this one off. It's only 4 of these screws. Is that one? So clip one, take them off, replace them after. Take the guard, this one. And it's really dirty, like I'll show you what that means, dirty. Look. I'll put it here, I'll put the light. Barely you can see the light is. It's all that like dirt and bugs in it, all kind of stuff. And today I want to clean it to better performance. And actually it's not too bad, especially inside, because the previous owner deleted the EGR. He deleted. This means so clean actually. It's not too bad. You can see. This camera. Yep. It's not too bad. And yeah, change it from here because barely you can see the light from there. Like really. From this side and there's the other side. It's a little bit damaged. When you can see, it's here a little bit damaged, but we will fix it later. That one. Stay with me to see how we're gonna clean it together. And just we want to make sure to close that part and here, make sure nothing come inside it. We clean inside after, and to not make sure the grease that strong not come inside. Put it like that way, and make sure nothing go in the sensor. This is the degreaser. This is the gun. This is another nozzle. It's, I don't know if you can see, 40, and we don't want to put it too close. We start further and we'll see when we go closer. We don't want to damage any teeth here. And now we do it. Sorry, the weather today is not the best to do this stuff, but anyway, gotta do it. After we clean and we let it dry, you can see how clean it is. We test it in the light. But another thing what we want to clean, want to clean inside. What we have to do, let's bring a bucket. Petrol. And to close the hole with this one. Take that off. And then this stuff off too. So I do want to close that one. make sure it's closed. This one off. Here. And we put half of it petrol. We already put petrol inside. You can see the color, and we'll let it soak for a little bit. Then we'll give him another shake. Very black. You can see over there. See. Leave it dry. And now, after we wash it all, we want to do all this being damaged before. Anyway, we fix what we can fix, and we clean it all. Let's put the light through it. This is the light. Let's put this. I know it's so much different, but definitely it's clearer than it was before. So clean from here too, you can see. And that's alright, let's have some stuff here, but we fix what we can fix. I hope that helped, and if you have any question, please put it in the comment. Thanks for watching.